Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's find out the factors of 24. So we are going to write down the first factor, which is the factor of every number, and that number is 1. So 1 times 24 we get 24. So these are the first two factors of 24. Now let's check with 2. Because 24 is an even number, so 2 is also a factor. And the other factor paired with 24 is 12. Did you notice something? I have doubled one factor, so I have to halve the other one. So this way we got the next factor pair for the number 24. Now let's check with 3. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6, and 6 is a multiple of 3. So 24 also has a factor of 3, and we know 3 times 8 is 24. 4. Yes, see this now. We are doubling this and we have to halve this. So what are we going to get here? 6. So 4 times 6 is another factor pair. The number 5. The number 5 isn't a factor because look at the ones place of 24. For a number to be a multiple of 5, the digit at the ones place should be either 0 or 5. But here, in case of 24, we have 4. So what are the factors of the number 24? They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 itself. Now, any guesses? What would be the factors of 48? Now 48 is double of 24. So can we guess the factors of 24? I think 1 would be there and 24 would be there. All these would be there. All these factors would be there. What other extra factors do you think should be there? Because see, what I observed was 6 times 8 is 48, 4 times 12 is 48, 3 times, I don't get the other number over here because 2 times 24 is 48, and with 1 I need another pair, another number which would be 48 itself, and with 3 what should be, and that number is 16. So we have got all the factors of 48 just by looking at the factors of 24. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you. Goodbye.